Hi, so this month we've gotten quite a lot of stuffs again. And for this month, which is the April month, we've gotten ourselves quite some time to go for shopping. So we've gotten a watch bag, as well as a watch, which we're gonna do an unboxing today. Start with this bag. So let's start with this bag. So Coach decided to collaborate with Disney this month, but I don't think this bag is a collaboration. But we've decided to get this bag right here. Let's put this away. Okay. So the color of this bag is really cool, and it's made from leather. It's alright. Comes with this. So it comes with this silver. Is it silver color? Blue strap, which looks really cool. Oh, and also the person allowed us to engrave the name on this tag. So this is Sophia's tag. Alright, so this bag, basically a leather bag with 2 compartments. Nothing special. Just put this on. There you go. Well, it's not for me, so just look at it like this. It looks really nice. The color is really cool. And let's put this away for now. So put this here where you can see it. Alright, now this one. So recently we've been collecting a lot of watches. A lot of watches. It actually comes with the whole manual. Oh, right, this one is the one we got. Semi-skeleton Orient style. Okay, let's put this away. Oh, it actually gives us this little bag. I assume to put the certification. Okay, let's put this here. This way. Alright, so, well, here it goes. Oh, well, yeah, that is the certification. Nothing special. Put this away right away. It doesn't fit. Alright, just put this away too. Anyways, this is apparently fully made from paper. This is not a cheap watch, so it comes in another little bag. Put this here. So basically this is leather. Whoa. And I think it looks amazing. Leather strapped automatic watch. And if you look close enough, there's that semi-skeleton look inside. Anyways, one thing that's very weird with this watch is how the strap is on top. Yeah, usually we wear watch with the strap below. This one goes otherwise. So I never really like strapped watch where I have to tie it up like this. Why? Because I want it to come out easily. Whenever I feel sweaty, whenever I feel warm, I can just take it away. So, special thing about this watch is it goes into a little compartment here. And then it becomes a bracelet, see? So that is the coolest thing about this watch. So the leather is still very tight. Thank you. Now, basically, I'm just gonna unwrap all the stickers on the watch itself. this is a sapphire crystal, so it's a bit more durable even if I accidentally knock it, which I did last night at the gym. I knocked my other watch really hard at the metal and there were scratches, but I hope it doesn't happen this one. There's one more here. There you go. I'm just gonna put this away. We've gotten a lot of watches this month. I think we have a total of around 8 or 9 watches at this current moment in our lives. If you think it's a good idea to do watch collection video, be sure to leave it a like and give us a comment below. So I think it's so cool how it goes down to the strap and into the little knot right here. There you go. There. So, oh, I forgot about that. Let us know if there's any more video contents you want to watch. Maybe a watch collection, maybe a bag collection, or maybe Sophia can even start her own channel. Anyways, this is the end of this video. I hope you like this sort of little unboxing videos. If you like so, be sure to leave a like, comment below, so we know what else to do, and be sure to click the subscribe button to make sure you have notifications for more of this sort of little dumb videos. Well, see you in the next one. Bye bye.